Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I am so excited to do this. It's probably my favorite video I've planned on doing so far. I'm pumped. I'm so excited. I just recently signed up for fabfitfun and I got some deal. It was like $10 off or something your first box. And I wasn't really sure if it was going to come before I went home for Christmas, and it did. It literally came yesterday. And I didn't open it because I wanted to open it on camera, so I've been staring at it forever, and I was going to do my makeup and get all ready. And I didn't. I just couldn't wait any longer, so I decided to do it. So here's the box. It's so cute. I already cut it so I could open it without having to, I don't know. Whatever. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so when I open it, this is what I see. Oh! Okay, so it comes with just FabFitFun magazine. I'll look through that later. And then it also comes with a HelloFresh $60 gift card. So $60 off your, I think it's like your first 6 meals or something like that. Oh my, no way. No freaking way. I'm pumped. You're kidding. Okay, this is the Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care. It's the treatment mask. This is like super expensive, I'm pretty sure. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Of course I have to go home now and I can't bring any of this because this is probably all, yep, it's all too big. Okay, so the first product is this. The next product is ANTHROPOLOGIE Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Oh my god, that smells so good. That smells super good. I'm excited to use that. Then I got AHAVA, I don't know, AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask. This will be nice. I love face masks. Let me know if you guys want reviews on these products, like after I've used them for a while. I'll link everything in this box down below so you guys can check them out if you want to get them. And while I'm trying to do this, I'll tell you a little bit about FabFitFun. So this isn't sponsored or anything. You pay $50, yeah, $50 4 times a year, so every season, and you get a box of, I can't remember exactly how many items it is, but it's valued at over $300, and you pay 50 bucks. Like, if you're someone who wants to try a bunch of things out or just love like getting new beauty stuff, this is perfect for you. So, I suggest it. Oh, I was gonna smell this. I can't really smell it. Oh well, whatever. The next thing is Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. I think it's like a lip or like a cream eyeshadow maybe. Comes with a built-in sharpener. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, next I got Bite Beauty Amuse something lipstick. I don't wear lipstick very often, but maybe I would. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, I like the packaging. Ooh, it's like a pretty nude color. The next thing I got is black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. I'm not gonna pull these out, but this is what it looks like. And the next thing is a jade roller. Ooh, I always wanted one of these. Or to try them. I see them all the time. I feel like jade rollers are really popular right now. It's by the brand Sherrie Acupuncture. Oh, that's pretty. This is the roller. For those of you who don't know, I'm pretty sure you just like rub it on your skin, like roll it, and if you get it like cold or put it in the fridge or the freezer or something, it's supposed to help promote a feeling of facial relaxation and general well-being. I don't know if they work, but we're gonna make ourselves feel good. What is this? Halston. Oh, it's a bag. Ooh, this is like a, let's see what it is. Pretty sure this is for makeup brushes, or makeup in general. I don't know. I really don't know, but it's really cute. Pretty sure it's for makeup though. So there's like, you know, I think these might be for like earrings. That's cool. There's a little zipper pouch inside, a flap to like keep things separate, and I'm stupid. It's for jewelry. Duh. Oh, this is so cool. My jewelry always gets like tangled up, so this is gonna be super nice. Mark & Graham personalized gifts. Okay, I'm already excited about this because it's soft. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh, I think it's reversible. So there's just a plain tan color and then like a white and a tan color. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I believe that's everything. Yes. So, let's do a little recap. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items, which is awesome. Like, you don't realize how much, I would have paid so much for this. Oh, okay. So the magazine thing that they give you has like everything that's going to be in the box. So I got the Moroccan, I got the body cream, which is valued at $24. I got the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener for $24, or it's valued at $24. I got the blaq Hydrogel Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid for $29. And the Hydration Cream Mask for $33. And the Throw was valued at $49. That's so cool. I love this. I'm so glad I did this. I don't know. I'm in college, so I'm not gonna go and pay all this individual stuff. Like, what's the point? And I want to try new things. Like, I'm getting older. So, I don't know. This was really exciting. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. This was really fun. I'm super excited for my next one. I will link all of this stuff down below. I will also link FabFitFun down below if you want to go check it out. And tons of YouTubers that are sponsored by FabFitFun have discounts. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. And yeah, that's all I have. So if you like this video, let me know. Comment, like, sign up for the post notifications down here somewhere. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.